Hello. So in this video I'm going to show our new quite simple element called link box. It solves a problem that we encountered quite a lot of times when building large organizations websites where they needed like they needed a way an accessible way to create a structure for the navigation. I will demonstrate here in a demo. So I've created a very simple 3-column grid here, and I'm going to add the link box element. And it's quite simple. First, there's a title. This is the title. Let's write that. And we're just going to do a hashtag for link for now, but of course it's going to be linked to something. I'm going to do an H3 title here, and I'm going to do an icon. You can have any kind of icon in top there. I'm just going to go with like a right arrow now to have it like this. There's also a view all link, which is in the bottom. It won't show now until I've added the first item or object here. This is a link. And I'm just going to do hashtag again there. Of course, this is all dynamic. You can use dynamic content to fetch, whatever sources you have, other articles, categories, etc., etc. And you can hook them up to a dynamic source. But for this demo, I'm just going to do a manual one here. So how many have I added? 7 different links here now in this. And now they are comma separated, just simple like this, which, this gives a good understanding of the basics of what we were trying to do. You can have a box like this, and for example, on a site where there's a lot of things, organizations have like, childcare, schools, hospitals, etc., etc. And you just want to group things like a lot of different pages under a title. And you want to group them within a card or a box here. That's why we call it the link box. But there's more settings here, and comma separated is this one, but you can also do like a divider layout, so you get like this type of layout. And let's do it primary or secondary, and small padding here just to make sure we use as much space as possible. Here is also a good demonstration of like a like that category page or the main page where you want to display lots of different areas of your website. This is very effective to use in a mega menu like this too. You group together. It's kind of what we tried to do here. The problem is that you end up using a lot of elements and you lose a little bit of the usability for your clients or the people that is actually building the website. So is there anything else? Of course, we have a striped version as well here, where you can use the striped thing like this. And I hope it's clear with the view all link. This is kind of, usually it kind of links to the same as the title, I suppose, where you go to, here is everything within this category or this tree of things. You can go to view all, and you can also set this to anything, go to category or whatever fits the site that the project that you are building. It's something that might be, it might be super clear directly, but when this type of websites have been, you can see an example, where these kind of things, here's a big organization website, and you want to kind of have these different, then when you click on one category, there's another tree of these boxes of other things, and to create something that is very usable, instead of having, like different settings for links and different settings for headline and link them and try to add an icon, etc. We created one box, one element that does this. in a very efficient way. So hopefully that explains what it does. Please check out the demo, and you find it on our website here. Bye bye.